Have you come home and found your Schlage door lock making a funny noise and flashing a yellow light? Well, that's a problem that you need to fix before you get locked out of your house. Luckily, it's something that even I can do. Okay, so if this is a problem that you have, you want to take care of it right away because it means your batteries are dying in your Schlage lock. So we want to switch those out quickly. If you don't, you come home, you're going to find yourself locked out because the door lock is going to have enough power to slide the bolt over. All right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to pull this piece up. It should just slide right off. That will expose electronic panel. There's a little battery connector here that you're going to want to pop off, and then the whole battery unit slides out and you should see a set of 4 AA batteries. We're going to swap these out, replace the unit, and we will be done. 4 new batteries. Pop those in there. And we want these connectors on the left side. And just drop it right in there. Take our connector, pop that right on there. Make sure you have the right side. Slide our lid back on. Should be good to go. Okay, let's give it a quick test. And there you have it. No lights, no beeps, and you can hear the power turning the lock at full strength. So there you have it, all fixed. And for you burglars out there, just so you know, this is not my real code, so don't be trying to come to my house. Until next time, this has been Steve for Things Even I Can Do. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one.